In many workplaces, tasks are carried out above ground level every day. Tools, materials, and equipment are often handled, stored, or used at height. When these objects fall, they become dropped object hazards that can cause serious injury or damage in just a few seconds. Being aware of this risk is essential to keeping everyone in the workplace safe. To better understand this risk, let's take a closer look at what dropped object hazards are and how they occur. Dropped object hazards refer to tools, materials, or equipment that fall from an elevated position. What makes them dangerous is not just the object itself, but the force it gains as it falls. Even a small item can cause serious injury when dropped from height. These hazards are most common in places where work is carried out above ground level, such as construction sites, factories, warehouses, scaffolding, platforms, and ladders. They often occur during lifting, installation, maintenance, or when tools and materials are placed near edges without being properly secured. Anyone working or walking below these elevated areas can be at risk. This includes workers, contractors, supervisors, and visitors who may not realize overhead work is taking place. Dropped object incidents usually happen because tools are unsecured, materials are stacked improperly, or items are accidentally knocked off. Vibration, wind, movement, or poor housekeeping can also contribute to objects falling unexpectedly. Now that we understand what dropped object hazards are, let's look at the hazards and consequences they can cause. First, serious injuries or fatalities. Objects falling from height can cause head injuries, fractures, or even death due to the force of impact. Second, damage to equipment and property. Dropped objects can damage machinery, vehicles, tools, or structures, leading to costly repairs and downtime. Also, secondary accidents. Workers may react suddenly to falling objects, increasing the risk of slips, trips, or collisions. Finally, disruption to work operations. Incidents involving dropped objects can stop work, delay tasks, and affect overall productivity and safety performance. To reduce these risks, it is important to apply effective control measures and safe practices in the workplace. First, secure tools and materials used at height. Use proper storage methods, tool lanyards, or securing systems to prevent items from falling. Second, maintain good housekeeping practices. Keep work platforms, scaffolding, and edges clear of loose objects. Also, establish exclusion zones below elevated work areas. Restrict access so no one stands or walks directly beneath overhead work. Finally, inspect elevated work areas regularly. Check platforms, ladders, scaffolding, and storage points to ensure everything is stable and properly secured. Dropped object hazards may not always be visible, but their consequences can be severe. By understanding where these hazards come from and applying simple control measures, serious accidents can be prevented. Always secure what you work with, stay aware of what is above you, and help keep the workplace safe